The company has said the executives were unaware of the hack when they sold the stock for $1.8 million. Equifax's legal woes worsened as the U.S. Attorney's Office in Atlanta issued a statement saying it was working with the FBI on a criminal investigation into the breach and theft of personal information. Equifax shares rose 1.5% on Monday after losing about a third of their value since the hack was announced. The Equifax breach discovered on July 29 exposed sensitive data like Social Security numbers of up to 143 million people. Cuomo said he planned to require all credit reporting agencies to register with the state and comply with its cybersecurity rules. The proposed regulation would take effect in February, Cuomo said in a statement. If the companies do not register, they risk being barred from doing business with financial companies regulated by New York State. The state would be able to bar credit reporting agencies, including TransUnion, TRUN and Experian plc EXPNL, as well as Equifax, from doing business in New York if the state found they engaged in unfair, deceptive, or predatory practices, Cuomo said. The Equifax breach was a wake-up call, Cuomo said. And with this action, New York is raising the bar for consumer protections that we hope will be replicated across the nation. Proposed regulations are typically subject to a period for public comment before they become final. A New York State cybersecurity regulation, the first of its kind in the United States, took effect on March 1. It requires financial firms to take measures to protect networks and customer data from hackers and disclose cyber events to regulators. Maine is the only U.S. state that requires credit agencies to register, said William Lund, superintendent of the Maine Bureau of Consumer Credit Protection. But its law does not cover cybersecurity, an issue the Bureau will have to consider, Lund said. The three credit reporting agencies did not respond to requests for comment on Cuomo's plan. Bloomberg reported on Monday that the U.S. Justice Department is investigating whether Equifax's chief financial officer, John Gamble, and two other executives broke insider trading rules by selling stock after the breach was discovered in July and weeks before it was disclosed this month. Separately, the company issued a statement saying a second Bloomberg report late on Monday about a second cyber attack in March referred to a breach at Equifax payroll unit that was previously reported to regulators, customers, and consumers and also been covered by the press. Equifax complied fully with all consumer notification requirements related to the March incident. The two events are not related, the statement said.